So we're gonna do a little upgrade on the truck. I'm gonna install my gun holster. This is one that used to sit on my hip. I took those rivets out and I had this installed in my Honda Civic. 3 screws that are just alike almost. That'll work. Take the seat all the way back. So, here's my gun. It is not safe right now. I don't have a safety on this thing, and it is fully loaded. Fantastic little gun. I'm gonna put it right about it's kind of low. I'm gonna put it right there. Yeah, that feels pretty good. Yeah. Be able to pull it out and put it in with no obstructions. I think, wow, I like that right there. Yeah, that's perfect. See if I can't make a mark on here. Yeah, there we go. Hopefully I don't hit anything important on the other side. All right, I can see through right there between there, right there. See through right there between there, right there. Oh, that works. Perfect. It was that easy. There's no kit that you have to buy. You just find a spot, and you screw it in there. You can't see any of the screws. I can't see them with my eye, and I know you guys can't see them either, which is fine. Now let's see what this is like. Well, I'm in position. That feels good. Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. Looks good sitting right there too. That's a good spot. Boom. Excellent.